If you're wondering, can I refinance my mortgage and when does it make sense to do so? You're in the right place. Refinancing can be a smart financial move, but timing and your goals matter. In this video, I'll explain what refinancing is, why people do it, and how to decide if it's right for you. I'm Tyler, your friendly mortgage advisor here in Austin, Texas. I work with Matthew Scalise at Real Mortgage to help make the refinancing process smooth and stress-free. So, what is refinancing? Refinancing is when you replace your current mortgage with a new one, usually to get better terms. It's kind of like trading in your old phone for a new one with better features. You still have a mortgage, but the new one might save you money or work better for your financial situation. Here are some common reasons people refinance. Lower your interest rate. If rates have dropped since you got your mortgage, refinancing can save you money on your monthly payments. Shorten your loan term. Switching from a 30-year loan to a 15-year loan can help you pay off your home faster and save on interest. Access cash out refinance. If you've built equity in your home, you can tap into that money to pay for things like home improvements or other big expenses. Switch loan types. You might want to move from an adjustable rate mortgage, ARM, to a fixed rate mortgage for more stability. So, when does it make sense to refinance? Here are a few rules of thumb. You'll stay in the home long enough to benefit. Refinancing comes with closing costs, so it's worth it if you'll save money in the long run. Your credit score has improved. Better credit can help you qualify for lower rates. You need to adjust your monthly budget. Whether you want to lower your payment or pay off your loan faster, refinancing can help. The best way to know if refinancing makes sense for you is to crunch the numbers. That's where Matthew Scalise and I come in. We can help you figure out your break-even point, how long it will take for your savings to cover the cost of refinancing, and see if it aligns with your goals. I hope this video gave you a better understanding of refinancing and when it might be a good idea for you. If you're curious about your options, feel free to reach out. I'm here to help. Please drop a like for this video and subscribe to this channel to see more great content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.